Oh, I'm making a mess.
That's okay. You can you can make the biggest mess you want. Nailed it.
Well. Oh my gosh, this is gonna make a mess, but it's gonna be really good. Especially as I haven't ever made bread, and I actually can't remember the last time I even baked something, honestly, which is kind of
Oh my gosh. Nailing it.
This is the.
That's perfect.
Okay. I'm really. What did I say? There you go. Ta-da. I'm like, how do I open this? This is, I can tell I do a lot of baking. Oh my god. No, this is gonna change though. Okay.
Yeah. She's determined, guys. This is a new.
It's fine. Okay. Ta-da. It's not coming out. Okay, wait, do you think that's fine?
That's perfect.
Okay. Oh, this is easier. See, I like these. I'm so excited. I really hope that this turns out. Cups of the buttermilk that's Some people may think that's real gross, but I mean, we bake it. We bake it. We put this in the oven. Look how much that comes out of it.
I mean, if I were at a restaurant, I'd be like,
oh yeah,
not cool.
Are you still looking through it?
There's just a streak, but I feel like it's not what you think it is. It's just.
Still smell the milk.
I know.
Okay, this is exciting.
think that's great. Yeah.
Ooh!
Woohoo!
Yay! Oh my gosh, this is so exciting. My first loaf of bread. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited.
It's called Irish soda bread.
Oh, even the feeling of it.
I know.
It looks so yummy.
Crispy.
There we go.
There you go.
Look at this beautiful.
Look at that.
Wow. Yes.
This is so cute.
Yes. One for you, one for me. Now let's eat it, okay? I'm so excited. Wow. You know, what else do you do on a summer day?
I don't know what else.
Make bread and cut your hair.
Yeah,
Right?
exactly.
Oh my gosh, am I doing this?
You're doing this.
Oh.
Oh my gosh. All right, girl. Elastic time.
Are you doing it?
Yeah, we're doing it.
What? Oh shoot, I gotta pull it down a little. Oh my word. Okay. It's just hair. It's just hair. Okay.
Here's. She's gonna cry.
I have too much attached to my hair. That's why I'm cutting it. So this is proving I need to cut it even more.
Nice speech.
All right. Are we doing it? Am I doing it?
you're like, are we actually gonna do this? As in, am I actually gonna
See, this is why I knew that you were the person to do this with, because you'd be like, yeah, you're doing it.
Yeah, there's no.
You're like, yeah, you don't need your hair. Like, get rid of it. Okay. Oh my gosh, I just cut it. It's official. Sarah. Oh my gosh, it's cute. Oh my gosh, I feel like I'm 4. Okay, other side, let's go. I think I did this a little shorter. Oh my word. This is short. Oh, this is so short.
I love it.
It's literally right
It's
at my
so
dress mark.
cute, and it's gonna get shorter when you get it cleaned up.
Oh my. Yeah. That's a lot, kind of. How many inches am I cutting off?
That's a good question.
What would you say, like 4? 5? Or is it even more than
Yeah.
that? We're just gonna measure. Okay, wait. This is inches. That's literally 8 inches! Every cut. Okay, this is like kind of free. Wow.
Yeah.
What the heck?
It's so cute.
What do I have left? Do I have 2? Oh, I still
Yeah.
have 2.
You
Okay.
still get to keep going.
This is challenging. I can't believe I'm cutting the back. Oh, this is. Do you see the way I'm holding this? This is not gonna. I'm gonna have to go again. Okay, this actually isn't. Oh my word! Oh my word! It's so short.
Give a girl some scissors. Oh.
I feel like a child / grandma. All of my I don't know. All of my hair dreams coming true. Yeah.
I love that children are literally singing right now. Throw your hat on.
So close.
Oops.
Kind of. Do you know how much I paid for this hat?
How much?
$5.
Easy. Cute. And she's still cutting her hair.
There's just.
We're
Oh,
still-
now I'm finding some. Wait, there's another one over here. Okay. Do you see any?
No.
Once you start, I don't know. Is that a saying? Once you cut your hair. Are you coming? Oh, sorry.
Yep.
Turn your eyes upon Jesus. Look full in his wonderful face, and the things of earth will grow strangely dim in the light of his glory.